Welcome to Michael and Lucy's cooking show. Today we will be making butter, 1 cup packed brown sugar, half cup white sugar, add 2 cups, add 2 eggs, and tablespoon vanilla, 3 cups flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 cups of chocolate chips. So we have all those ingredients now, and we're going to start by doing our butter and putting it into this mixer. Get exactly right. Now put it in the bowl. Okay. We're gonna whip it until it is fluffy. So we're gonna turn this on. Crack the egg and put it in. That's the egg. Alright, I'm gonna do the 1 tablespoon teaspoon vanilla. I'm gonna put it over there so it doesn't spill everywhere. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Okay, now we're gonna whip it real good until it's really fluffy. Okay, then we do
Mix it together.
Oh, right, we mix it together until it's
Mixed.
You get mixed enough, Lucy?
Sure.
Okay. Then you put the chocolate chips in. Okay, then we put the lid back on and mix it all in until it's all the way mixed in. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks so good. Whoa! The lid flipped off.
Fix it some more.
Gotta put this back in that fell out. Off, and we're gonna take the lid off.
I'm gonna get some taste testers. Come test it. What do you think?
Yeah. Taste testers!
Yeah.
Oh, taste testers in.
Yeah.
Come taste test it. Okay, let's get some spoons for them.
Welcome to the baking show.
Now, baking show.
Thank you.
He's Dylan. He's Peter.
Hello.
Taste test this. Taste testers.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
strong
wow.
boy over there ready to taste
Okay,
test.
taste tester 1. Oh, it's all on the ground. Okay, taste tester. Oh, no.
It was actually really good.
What do you have to say about it?
But it just needed a little more time to mix.
I think so too.
It needs a little more time to
I think it tastes a little.
What does Tommy have to say about it?
Tommy, what do you think?
I haven't tasted yet.
Taste that. I think it needs to mix a little more because it tastes a little powdery, because we put the flour in. Thanks for coming, taste testers.
Yeah, thanks for inviting us.
Now we're gonna do the same thing like that, but on this other tray that we have. Okay. You could just put it right there.
Taste testers.
I could also taste like a lot lot of flour and like now since you like mixed it up, I can't really.
Okay, I think we're ready to
Yeah, me
cook.
too. And I also like the texture.
He likes the texture, you guys. Wait,
Oh, I love the texture.
Texture. Okay, we're gonna put it in this mini oven.
that one. Put it on the bottom.
Bottom. Ouch. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Okay, now we'll set a timer for
1 minute.
2 minutes. Start timer.
Now hurry, since these are pretty brown.
Since those are pretty brown, we're gonna
Hurry, take them off.
we're gonna have to take them off and let them so they stop cooking, and then take these off. Put them on a. We'll take like
Put the
a.
rack down here. We'll smash.
We can share that one.
Yeah, this one will be one for us
taste
to share. So let's taste one.
Oh, that's hot.
Ooh, that is hot. Okay, let's. Wow, that is so good. Take these off. Look at those ones. Those are like perfect. We'll take these ones off. These are very hard to put on without them falling off. Beautiful one yet.
Yes, I do actually.
No, you don't actually.
Yes, I do actually.
Take that. Try it out. What do you guys think?
That is delicious.
A little hot?
Yeah.
Fresh out of the oven.
Yeah, but it's really.
Well,
No, it's not good.
thanks for watching Lucy and Michael's Cookie Show. See you next time.
Bye bye.